Are you a content creator waiting to get your YouTube channel monetized? Then this video is just for you. Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, and in this video, I will discuss how to monetize your YouTube channel, what are the requirements and some tips to get your YouTube channel monetized quickly. So make sure you watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, so before I start with the requirements and how you can join the YouTube partner program, let me tell you that the most common way to monetize your YouTube videos is through the YouTube partner program that you need to join. This will allow you to place advertisements on your videos and make money every time you upload content. YouTube pays creators through the Google Adsense program. Now, for example, whenever a viewer watches or clicks on an ad within your video, revenue is generated, alright, and that revenue is then split between you and YouTube, where you get 55% of the money and YouTube takes the other 45%. So that's how the monetization works, but that is something that you will understand later. First of all, you need to meet the monetization requirements and you have to join the YouTube partner program to get your channel monetized. Only then you will be able to start earning money. Alright, now before you can get your channel monetized or join the YouTube partner program, you need to fulfill certain requirements that I'm going to talk about now. So here I am already in my YouTube studio. You just have to open your YouTube studio, and on the left here you will find some options. You simply have to go to monetization. Alright, so this will explain you what you need to do to be able to join the YouTube partner program. Alright, so here it is written that to get into the YouTube partner program, you need to meet the criteria listed below. After that, you submit the application and your channel will get reviewed by YouTube against our monetization policies. So you can even click on this blue link, the monetization policies, and you can just go through them so that you can have a better idea that what all you need to do to get your channel monetized. Apart from that, there are 4 main requirements that you need to fulfill. All right, so first one is to have 1000 subscribers within a certain period of time, that is of 1 year. All right, and within that 1 year you need to have 4000 watch hours. All right, so this particular area, the monetization tab, will show you how much you have progressed over time. So as you can see, right now my channel has 397 subscribers and 779 watch hours, so it is still far away from getting monetized, but I am working on this YouTube channel. So this is my one of the channels that is still not monetized. All right, now I will also show you one channel which is now monetized and which is under review as well. So I have 2 to 3 YouTube channels that I manage and I'm trying to get all of them monetized. All right, apart from this, you can see that you need to turn on 2-step verification. That is very much important, and if you have already turned it on, you will see this check mark right here. And also here you need to have 0 active community guideline strike. So if your channel has received any copyright strike, this will might show in red. All right, or you might see that you are not eligible. All right, so you should not have any active community guideline strikes. If this number is showing 0, that means you are doing fine. All right, so these are the 4 basic requirements, and you can also do one more thing to stay aware, like to get notified if you are eligible for monetization, is to click on this blue button right here. So this will send you an email the moment you are eligible to apply for monetization. All right, you will automatically receive an email from YouTube that now you can apply for monetization. You have fulfilled all these requirements. All right, so that was about one of my channels. All right, that's how you just fulfill the requirements. And now once you have fulfilled the requirements, what you need to do next is I'm going to show you now. So this is my another channel that is under review and is about to get monetized. So here, as you can see, I have fulfilled all the requirements. I have gained the 1000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and I have joined their partner program. All right, I have accepted their terms and conditions. All right, so the step 1 is completed, as you can see. Now the step 2 is to sign up for Google AdSense. So you need to set up a Google AdSense account. It is very easy. You can use your Gmail account that is already linked to YouTube, and using that you can create a Google AdSense account. Then you need to link it to your YouTube channel. So you will get all the instructions on the screen. I have already linked my AdSense to my YouTube channel. As you can see right here, it says that you have successfully linked an AdSense account. All right, so that's the second step that I have recently completed. Now the third step is, now they will review if you have successfully completed all the requirements or not. So this is in progress. As you can see, YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. So again, as I told you, you need to comply with these policies. All right, we will email you a decision usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you have completed the first 2 steps. So you only need to complete these 2 steps and this will start automatically. And once they are done reviewing your YouTube channel, you will receive an email from YouTube stating that if you are eligible for monetization or if your channel has been monetized or not. All right, so that's the complete process. Now if your channel gets monetized, and you will visit back on your YouTube studio, and if you will go to your monetization tab, this is how it will look like if your channel is now monetized. All right, so this is one of my channel that is already monetized. All right, and here on the right you will see that you have completed payment setup, and this is how it will look like. All right, you will see all the monetization options that you have. The most commonly used one is the video advertising, that you can place ads on your video, and the shopping option. If you run a brand or if you have something to sell, you can even add products from your own shop, and if your viewers are buying it right from your videos, you can earn that way as well. Then you can earn from memberships, supers and giving. So that is something that you will do once you get monetized. All right, for that you have a long journey to go, and do not forget to check the monetization policies that are provided by YouTube. There is a lot that you need to understand. Ignoring these policies can also get your channel suspended, all right, or even terminated, as you can see right here. So they can even turn off ads from your content. Don't think like that. If you have your channel monetized once, they cannot demonetize. They can do anything. That they can even suspend your account. They can even terminate it if you are violating any of their monetization policies. All right, so it is very important to take care of all their policies. Now that was about the requirements and the process and what will happen. Everything about monetization, their decision about the monetization, you will receive it through the email that you have provided them. All right, so just wait for the email if you have already applied, and if you are not eligible this time, they will also let you know what you need to do next. All right, so stay tuned for that as well. So it's written right here that how we will inform you of actions that affect your monetization. So they will inform you via email that where are you going wrong and what you need to do. All right, so now I will share some tips that helped me to get one of my channel that you are watching this video on, that is GetAssist.net monetize. I'm going to share some tips and hopefully they will help you to get your channel monetized as well. Alright, the biggest obstacle to get your YouTube channel monetized is to ensure that you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours within 1 year. So here is how you can achieve this milestone. My first tip for you would be to create quality videos. Alright, there is nothing that can help you apart from creating quality videos on your YouTube channel. If you want to complete your watch hours really quick, you need to ensure that your videos, the videos that you are uploading on your channel, are providing some value to your audience. Otherwise they will not be interested in watching those videos, and they will not watch it till the end. They will exit out of it really quick if your video is not talking about the issue you have mentioned, if your title is misleading. So make sure everything about your video is providing some information or is useful to your audience. That's how you can keep them engaged. All right, the other thing that you can do is to talk about trending topics. Now it depends on your channel that what kind of videos that you want to make. For example, mine is a technical channel, so what I do is I always try to cover trending topics, the topics that people are talking on the internet, on Twitter, on Instagram. So you also need to cover those topics whenever there is any update from WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter or Snapchat. I try to cover those in my videos so that my audience is always updated and they will know that this is the channel where I receive the updated information from. All right, so this is one of the most useful tip for you, is to talk about the topics that are in trend. Whatever your niche is, just try to stay up to date with the trend. Now the next thing is to show your face in your videos. Now there is no doubt that you can create videos without showing your face, and I have also made one video where I have discussed some ideas for YouTube videos that you can make without showing your face. So do check that video as well if you are planning to create a YouTube channel. But it would be better if you are able to show your face in your videos, and that will allow you to better connect with your audience. So if you will go through my channel, I have a mix of videos. I have face videos as well, I have without face videos as well. So you can create a mix of all these videos. You need to analyze that which video will require your face. All right, so this will allow you to better interact with your audience, and they will also see that okay, there is an actual person behind this channel who is giving us this information. Now the next important thing is to stay active on social media, and that is whichever accounts you have for YouTube channel. For example, your Instagram, your Snapchat, your WhatsApp, you need to promote your YouTube everywhere. So whenever you upload a video, make sure you promote it on your WhatsApp status, on your Instagram story, on your Snapchat story, on your Twitter, and everywhere possible you can. This will also tell your audience that you are active on all your social media, and that will help them to connect with you more, and they will become a regular audience of your videos. Now my next tip for you would be to make longer but relevant videos. Now if you want to increase your watch hours at a faster rate, you need to create longer videos. Video of 1 or 2 minutes will not help you to achieve that bigger milestone of 4,000 watch hours. You will need to make longer videos, but you need to still make sure that they are relevant to your audience. You cannot ignore that, otherwise no one will, like for example, if you are creating a 10-minute long video, you need to ensure that you are giving some value throughout 10 minutes in your video. Otherwise no one will be able to stay till the end, and your watch hours will still be the same. All right, so that is very important. Try to make longer videos in between and keep the relevancy intact. So yeah, that is my next tip for you. And apart from this, you should invest in good sound and video quality. That is very important. That also ensures that your audience is able to understand what you are trying to say, and they are enjoying the video quality as well. So initially you might not be able to invest in good sound and video quality, but still as you grow your YouTube channel, you should invest in good cameras and good mics, so that your audience understand that what are you trying to say, or they are enjoying what they are seeing on their screen. All right, and similarly my next tip for you would be to invest in professional video editing. If you do not know how to edit YouTube videos, you can hire someone for that job. All right, so make sure the editing of your video is also done very well. Otherwise if you keep it boring or just plain, the audience will not be able to stay engaged throughout the video. All right, so video editing is also very important. So these were some of the tips that can get your YouTube channel monetized, and these are the tips that I have learned over time when I was trying to get my channel monetized. So these were the tips that I wanted to share with you that can help you get your YouTube channel monetized. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more informative and useful content. Thank you for watching.